Hello, in this video, I am going to make solder using iron wire. I shape the wire using a pencil. In this part, we use pliers to shape the wire. Here we shape the wire according to the lighter. We shape the wire in such a way that the coil part is placed on the flame of the lighter. We connect the wire to the body of the lighter using adhesive tape. If the video has been useful for you so far, please subscribe. We use a lot of adhesive tape to fasten the wire to the body of the lighter. We test the solder of a lighter. In this part, heat the wire so much that the color of the wire changes. As you can see, the solder is working properly. Now it is time to work with solder. As you can see, the soldering is done correctly. If you enjoyed the video and it was useful, I would appreciate it if you subscribed. Thank you for watching the video.